Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to class 8. In the previous lecture we are discussing the exercise of unit number 1. And now we can discuss the remaining exercise of this unit. Now come on the page number 9. Grammar. Choose the correct adjectives. An adjective is a word that modifies noun or pronoun. It describes or point out a person, place or thing, or to tell the number or quantity. For example, a famous poet. एडजेक्टिव ऐसे वर्ड को कहते हैं जो कि किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन की क्वालिटी को शो करे, वो एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है. नाउ कम ऑन द एक्सरसाइज. चूज द करेक्ट एडजेक्टिव्स. इशफाक अहमद वाज अ डैश राइटर. फेम्ड, famous, famously, infamous. Option number B is the correct option. Famous writer. This is a very dash seminar. Information, informed, informative, informing. Option number C is the correct option. Informative. Number 3. My mother becomes anxious if I get home late. Anxiety, anxious, and anxieties, anxiously. So anxious is the correct option. You write down anxious in the fill in the blanks. Number 4. It is a dash to get the correct information from the university office. Advisable, advisable, advising, advised. Two options are the correct. You write down advisable and also advised. Option number B and also the option number D, both are correct. Number 5. Who is responsible for this choice? Responsible is the correct option. Responding, responsible, responsive, responded. You write down responsible. Now come on the page number 9. You see the question number B. Find out 10 adjectives from the unit and use them in sentences. हमने 10 adjectives choose करने हैं लेसन में से और उनको sentences में use करना है. We choose the word trackless. It was a trackless desert. Tropical. Pakistan is a subtropical country. Ethical. They act on ethical principles. Divine. People want divine justice. Firm. You should stand firm faith on your point. Dazzling. I could not see anything in dazzling rays. Number 7. Long. I went on a long journey. Small. A small man was standing in the hall. True. He is a man of true spirit. Starry. I always enjoy the starry nights. Now come on the page number 10. In this topic you you have seen conditionals type 1, open condition. Conditionals of this type tell us that something will happen if a certain condition is fulfilled. The condition may or may not be fulfilled. Example, if they arrive late, they will miss the bus. You can see it has the sentence has two parts. In the first part, present indefinite tense, and the second part, future tense. You can see. So it has two parts. फर्स्ट वन में होगा प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस होगा और जो सेकंड पार्ट होगा उसमें फ्यूचर टेंस होगा. नाउ कम ऑन द एक्सरसाइज. कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग द गिवन वर्ब्स. वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उनको आपने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में पुट करना है. नंबर 1. इफ़ आई सी असलम आई शैल डैश हिम टू डिनर टुमारो. इनवाइट. यू राइट डाउन इनवाइट. Number 2. If I dash out, I shall turn off the TV. You write down go. Number 3. If you dash tricks on people, they will not trust you again. You write down play. Number 4. If the farmer dash all his kiwi fruit in the market, he will be very pleased. You write down sells. Number 5. I shall dash you with your homework if I can. Help. You write down help. Number 6, I shall dash you ride my bike if you like. You write down allow. Number 7, will you dash this basket to Auntie Sophia if you see her? You write down give. Number 8, if we dash, we shall catch the bus. You write down hurry. Number 9, will you dash me if you were going to be late? You write down inform. Number 10, if he works hard, he will dash the competition. You write down win. Have you done? Now come on the question number. You can see page number 10, the question number exercise D. Put the suitable verbs in the given blanks. यानी कि आप में चूज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन करनी है. इसमें दिए गए जैसे कि दिया गया नंबर 1 है आई डैश लिविंग इन दिस हाउस सिंस 1970. ऑप्शन आर द हैज़ बीन, हैव बीन, वॉज, विल बी. यू राइट डाउन हैव बीन. Number 2, he dash came yesterday. He came here yesterday. Options are has come, came, will come, come. You write down came. If you dash, I shall be available. Options are will come, have come, came. You write down come. Number 4, he dash take the examination next year. Will have, will be, shall. You write down will. Number 5, he dash to us tomorrow. Options are comes, will come, came, had come. You write down will come. So this is the end of the exercise D. Now on the page number 11 you can see summarize paragraph 2 of the unit in 3 to 4 sentences. जो पैराग्राफ नंबर 2 है लेसन का उसको आपने समराइज करना है 3 to 4 sentences में. You write down the Arabs had a remarkable memory and were an eloquent people. Every year a fair was held for poetical competition at Ukaz. Due to eloquence of the Arabic language, Allah Almighty chose it for sending final message to mankind. I repeat that questions. The Arabs had a remarkable memory and were an eloquent people. Every year a fair was held for poetical competition at Ukaz. Due to eloquence of the Arabic language, Allah Almighty chose it for sending final message to mankind. So dear students, this is the end of our lesson number 1. Unit number 1. You write down all the exercises and also all the copywork on your notebook and also read them and learn them by heart. If you have any confusion, you can contact on the school number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Take a good care of yourself.